Hello mga katuto! Welcome to One-on-One TV and Tutorials. Ang lesson natin ngayon ay sum of arithmetic sequence or arithmetic series. Sum of arithmetic sequence or arithmetic series. Tignan natin yung pagkakaiba ng arithmetic sequence sa sum of arithmetic sequence. Sa arithmetic sequence, example is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Sa sum of arithmetic sequence, that is 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10. Next, 50, 46, 42, 38, and so on. Dito naman, 50 plus 46 plus 42 plus 38, and so on. Let's try to find the fifth term of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So dito, itong 10 ang ating fifth term. So therefore, the fifth term is 10. While in sum of arithmetic sequence, find the sum of the first 5 terms of 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10. Ibig sabihin, we're going to add each term. So 2 plus 4, that is 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 8, that is 20. 20 plus 10, and that is equal to 30. Dito naman sa arithmetic sequence, pag kinuha natin yung 40th term of the sequence 50, 46, 42, 38, we're going to use the formula a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the difference of n and 1 times d. Then dito naman sa sum of arithmetic sequence, find the sum of the first 40 terms of 50 plus 46 plus 42 plus 38 and so on. Ang gagamitin nating formula ay S sub n equals n over 2 times 2a sub 1 plus the difference of n and 1 times d. Okay, let's have this example. Find the sum of the first 40 terms of 50 plus 46 plus 42 plus 38 and so on. So ito yung ating formula. So the value of a sub 1 is 50. N is equal to 40. Ito yung first 40 terms. D is negative 4. So 46 minus 50 is negative 4. 42 minus 46, that is also negative 4. Then S sub 40 is unknown. So ito yung hahanapin natin, yung sum of the first 40 terms. So i-substitute na natin yung ating given values. So S sub 40 equals, N is 40, so 40 over 2 times 2, A sub 1 is 50, plus N is 40, then D is negative 4. Then 40 divided by 2 is equal to 20. 2 times 50, that is 100. 40 minus 1 is 39 times negative 4. Then multiply 39 and negative 4, that is equal to negative 156. Then 100 plus negative 156, that is negative 56. Then multiply 20 and negative 56, that is negative 1,120. Therefore, the sum of the first 40 terms is negative 1,120. Okay, let's have another example. Find the sum of the first 25 terms of 20 plus 23 plus 26 and so on. So ito yung ating formula. The value of a sub 1 is 20. The value of n is 25, the first 25 terms. The value of d is 3. So 23 minus 20 is 3. 26 minus 23, that is also 3. Then S sub 25 is unknown. So ito yung hahanapin natin. So i-substitute na natin yung mga given values. So S sub 25 equals, N is 25 over 2. 2 times A sub 1 is 20 plus the value of N is 25 minus 1 times D, which is 3. Then 25 divided by 2 is 12.5. 2 times 20, that is 40. 25 minus 1, that is 24, times 3. Then multiply 24 and 3, that is 72. Then add 40 and 72, that is equal to 112. Then multiply to 12.5, so that is 1,400. Therefore, the sum of the first 25 terms is 1,400. Okay, let's have another example. Find the sum of the first 25 terms of 20 plus 23 plus 26 and so on up to 92. Kung mapapansin nyo rito, meron tayong value ng ating last term, which is 92. Okay, so identify na natin yung mga given values. A sub 1 is 20, N is 25 as the first 25 terms, D is equal to 3, 23 minus 20 is 3. 26 minus 23 is equal to 3. Then S sub 25 is unknown. So kung mapapansin nyo rito, yung ating given values, saka yung given values dito ay magkapareho. Ibig sabihin, itong dalawang tanong na ito ay iisa lang ang ating sagot, which is 1,400. Pero meron pa tayong isang formula para makuha natin yung sum ng arithmetic sequence. Since meron tayong last term dito, which is 92, so pwede natin siyang isulat as A sub n equals 92. Then gamitin na natin yung isa pang formula ng sum of arithmetic sequence. And that is S sub n equals n over 2 times A sub 1 plus A sub n. Dito sa formula na ito, meron tayong A sub n. Yung A sub n dito ay last term, which is applicable in this question. So, i-substitute na natin yung mga given values. So, S sub 25 equals n is 25. So, 25 over 2. A sub 1 is 20. A sub n or the last term is 92. Then, 25 divided by 2 is equal to 12.5. 20 plus 92, and that is 112. Then multiply 12.5 and 112, and that is 1,400, which is also the same in our previous example. Okay, let's have another example. Find the sum of the arithmetic sequence 8, 12, 16, and so on up to 260. Then identify the given values. A sub 1 is equal to 8, D is equal to 4, 12 minus 8 is equal to 4, 16 minus 12, and that is equal to 4. A sub n or the last term is 260. N is unknown. Unlike sa ating previous example na yung n is given. Kasi sabi sa ating previous example, find the sum of the first 25 terms. So, identified na natin kung ilang terms yung ating sequence. Pero dito sa ating example, hindi natin ma-identify kung ilang terms meron. So, ang gagawin natin ay alamin muna natin kung ilang number of terms meron dito sa ating arithmetic sequence. So, dito, hahanapin natin ang value ng n using the formula of arithmetic sequence. Then, by substitution, ang ating A sub 1 is equal to 8. Ang n is unknown, minus 1, and d is 4. Then, 4 times n, that is 4n. 4 times negative 1, and that is negative 4. Then, the next step is 8 minus 4, and that is equal to 4. Then, ilipat natin itong 4 sa kabila. So, ito ay magiging negative 4. Then, 260 minus 4 equals 4n. This 260 minus 4 is equal to 256. Then divide both sides by 4. Then cancel natin yung 4. So 256 divided by 4 is equal to 64. So meaning to say, there are 64 number of terms. Then dito, pwede na natin kunin yung sum ng arithmetic sequence. So gamitin na natin yung ating unang formula. Then by substitution, S sub 64 is equal to 64 as the value of n, yung computed n natin kanina, over 2. 2 times a sub 1 is 8, n is 64, and d is 4. Then 64 divided by 2 is equal to 32. 2 times 8 is 16. 64 minus 1 is 63. Then 4. 63 times 4 is equal to 252. Then add 16 and 252. That is equal to 268. Then multiply 32 and 268. And that is 8,576. And therefore, the sum is 8,576. Gamitin naman natin yung isa pang formula. Yung S sub n equals n over 2 times a sub 1 plus a sub n. Since meron na tayong value ng n, which is 64, so that is 64 over 2, a sub 1 is 8, a sub n is 260. Add 8 and 260, that is 268, times 32 is equal to 8,576. So, ganyan lang mga katuto kung paano ang sum of arithmetic sequence or arithmetic series. Para mas lalo nyo pang maintindihan ang lesson natin ngayon, pwede nyo ring sagutan ang mga sumusunod na mga tanong. Sana nakatulong ang video na ito para mas lalo nyo pang maintindihan ang lesson natin sa mathematics. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye!